Hello friend. Initially we have added support for Playwright Locators, native Playwright Locators in SelectorsHub, both in free and pro version. It is already live and I'm sure you all are enjoying that feature. Now we are extending that support for other languages as well. By default it was supporting JavaScript and TypeScript. Now you can generate the locators, Playwright standard locators for Java as well as for Python. It's a very simple and straightforward. There's no extra setting, nothing extra is required from your end. You just open SelectorsHub and smoothly it will work like jam. Let me show you. So just go to any page. So here I'm just showing it on SelectorsHub practice page. You simply click on the SelectorsHub logo. If you are opening the SelectorsHub by this way, we highly recommend to use it this way because it can save a lot of time for you and the space. So here you see the standard view of SelectorsHub. So standard locators are generated here. If you inspect any element, it will generate all types of locators possible. If you want the Playwright, so you are having the option to click on Playwright and then you can generate the Playwright locators here. Simple. Now there you will see that one more button for language here, JS and TS, which means JavaScript and TypeScript default. And if you want to change the language, like you want to generate for anything else like Java, then you select Java here. And then if you inspect the element, it will generate selectors, Playwright locators, standard Playwright locators, which will be supporting Java language. So here, if you want for Python, you select the Python, and then if you inspect the element, it will generate with the Python syntax. So basically the syntax are different, everything logics and everything is same behind the scene. If you want to verify these, yes, you can verify them. Just click and edit, and here you can verify them, whether those syntax are in Java or Python or TypeScript, anything, you can verify them here. And in fact, like if you are on a standard mode or Playwright mode, at both the places you can verify the selectors here, whether that is an XPath, CSS selector or Playwright locators, any format, you can verify all of them here in a single click. If you're opening SelectorsHub here in DevTools, there also you will have these options. Very simple, very straightforward. And whatever settings you will save, like let's say you have selected Playwright and you are working with Playwright. So every time you don't have to click on this, by default it will be opening with Playwright, whatever you will choose here, as well as the language. So like here we have chosen the language Playwright and Python. Now if you inspect any element, it will generate locators, Playwright locators for Playwright with this language, whatever is selected there, Python. It will be supporting iframe, SVG, shadow DOM, nested iframe, everything it will be supporting. Like if you go here, if any element is inside shadow DOM, so you will see that it will generate like that. If you want to verify, you can verify them. If there is any table, it will be supporting those table as well, and it will be generating very smart locator. If there is anything which is inside iframe, that also it will support multiple iframes, nested iframe, anything will be there, it will be supporting those as well. You just inspect the element and it will generate like a gem. It is also letting you know that this is inside two nested iframes. So if you change the language, then automatically it will work with that. So this is how now you can simply generate that. If you are using pro version, same feature is available in pro version as well. Now you see that you just select the language here, you will be having the option to change. And in pro version you also get one more feature. Let's say you don't want to see this header and you want to save the space and you want to work as in before it was working for SelectorsHub, and like you just want to generate the standard selector, you don't want to see this header and you want to save this space, just click on the customize setting and here you have the option hide Playwright header. So you can hide that, uncheck this, and it will be hidden. So you will be having a simple UI. There will be no extra space will not be taken by that header. So if you want, you can hide that as well, which is available in pro version under customize UI setting. So you can do that. And if you want to learn more about the features, what all things are available in SelectorsHub pro version, here you go under pro plans and you can have a quick comparison here between free and pro, so that you can. So this is the quick tutorial about how you can use SelectorsHub to generate the Playwright locators with different languages. If If you have any query, any feature request, do let us know in the comment section and we will be more than happy to add those features. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.